And we're back to learning CapCut. Let me show you this text dissolve down effect. At first we go to text, add a default text element, adjust it. Let me just quickly go over that. I don't go over all of the details, I just use a bigger font size, give it a bold style and pick a different font here. Let me do that, I'll just pick Carlito Bold Italic. The effect works on any text. Then go to animation. You want to be in the in category right here. You have to scroll a little bit. It's relatively far down at the bottom. Right here, this down is for the soft down. So go to the bottom, then scroll up and you should find it quicker. When you've got your text element active, just left click on the animation, it should be added. And then you can adjust the duration right here. I want to go to the max of 3 seconds. Now we want to give it a black background. So go to media, library, backgrounds. I'll just add this black element. Then I use B, the split tool, size that down. Then I use A for the selection tool. I select both, right click, create a compound clip. Now drag this to video channel 2 and I add the clip that I want to have in the background. So here, clip of New York. I have to shorten that a little bit, so use the split tool B again. It's on video channel 1. And to now blend through the text, I select the text element with the black background. I go to video, scroll down until you find the blend, open the drop down and change the mode to multiply. And if you want to have more of the original showing, you have to use the opacity now. Go down to around 50, 60, maybe 70%. This is going to make your clip a little bit darker. So the clip of New York in the background. Therefore select it, then go to not video basic, go to adjustment basic. Scroll down until you can find the exposure and then bring that a little bit back. You don't want to overdo it, but in this case around 30 is still okay. And now we can see the text clearly and the footage in the background looks fine. I hope this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.